If you are a tourist coming to Buenos Aires, Argentina, you need to be aware that some of the tourist attractions in the city are not free. And not only that, but one of the top tourist attractions in the whole city actually requires customers to pay by card and not physical cash. So in today's video, I am going to reveal to you where these tourist attractions are and what you have to do when you arrive at these places. Now, just a little message before I do reveal the places. If you are traveling anywhere in the world and if you do want to make a little bit of extra money to help you out fund your travels, I really recommend starting a side hustle, and I recommend this side hustle that you see in the screen here. I'm going to put a link in the description and the comment section. It's going to be the first link you see. So if you are in Argentina and if you do want to make a bit of extra cash whilst you're on your trip, I really recommend this side hustle. It's a side hustle that I use. If you use the link below and follow the instructions, you will get a free 25 British pounds, which is about $30 US, free straight to you. And then once you sign up, you can watch all of their video guides which teach you how to make money online to fund your travels. Now, you may need to use a VPN if you cannot access this website in your home country, so I've also put a link in the description and the comment section to where you can sign up to get a VPN to change your virtual location, and you will need to change that location to the UK. Okay, so now you're in Argentina, you're making a bit of money online, and you're ready to explore the tourist attractions in Buenos Aires. Firstly, if you're going to go to the Japanese gardens, which I do highly recommend, very peaceful, it's very zen there. Now, unfortunately, to go, you do need to pay a little bit of money. It's not too expensive. It's only 1,500 Argentinian pesos, which is about $1.5. I mean, the exchange rate today is this. Now, you can pay with either cash or credit card or debit card. And again, it's pretty affordable, about $1.50. I mean, I do recommend it because it is a nice garden to walk around, very peaceful, very relaxed. It's quite big too, so it is a nice break from the city. Now, the next tourist attraction in Argentina, which is not free to enter, surprisingly, is the Recoleta Cemetary. Now, I don't think you'll find too many cemeteries in the world where you are charged to enter, but this cemetery, the Recoleta Cemetary, is very famous in Argentina because lots of very famous political figures are buried there. And I was told that a few years back, there was a bomb planted by political activists, and the bomb was intended to explode on one of the political figures' shrines in the cemetery. If you do know the full story, please do comment in the comment section below the full story. It will be interesting to see the full story behind why that actually happened. But anyway, long story short, that's the reason why they now charge tourists to enter, because of this attack. And as you can see just here, the price is currently 5,090 pesos. Now, to my surprise, the Recoleta Cemetery does not accept physical cash as payment. You can only pay by card. Now, luckily for me, I did have my credit card on me, and I did use my credit card most days when I was out and about in Argentina. So if you are in Buenos Aires and if you know you're going to visit the Recoleta Cemetery, bring your card, bring a credit card or a debit card. They will not accept cash, and they're very, very strict about it. Now, the next tourist attraction in Buenos Aires whereby you'll have to pay, not really a tourist attraction actually, it's more like a vehicle to get to your tourist destinations. If you are going to use the Buenos Aires subway system, you have to pay for a card, and it's called a Sube Card. So it's not like London, for example, where you can just use your contactless debit or credit card to go through the barriers, or where you can just buy single tickets. You cannot do that in Argentina. You have to purchase a Sube Card from the till. Now, if you do want more information on how you purchase a Sube Card and how you use a Sube Card, I actually made a complete video on how to use the Buenos Aires metro system. Go to this video here, my Buenos Aires playlist, and I explain step by step how you use the Buenos Aires subway. So yes, don't think you can use your contactless debit card to get through the Buenos Aires subway barriers, or don't think you can just purchase a single ticket. You have to purchase a unique Sube Card to use the Buenos Aires subway system. Don't fear, of course, there are some free tourist attractions that you can get up to in Buenos Aires. For example, going to the San Telmo market, it's free to go to the San Telmo market. It's also free to go to the El Ateneo Library, very grand and very famous library in the city. And of course, the great thing about Buenos Aires is that it's a big city, so there's lots of different neighborhoods that you can check out. For example, Palermo, La Boca, San Telmo, and I do recommend doing that because there are lots of different vibes and atmospheres in different parts of the city. But I did think today it was important that I did share these 3 things in Buenos Aires that you have to pay for, because these are 3 things that you may not necessarily think you would have to pay for, but in fact you do have to pay for. Now, if you are planning to come to Buenos Aires sometime soon, do let me know in the comments, because it will be interesting to see how many of you are planning trips down to Buenos Aires. Or if you've been, do let me know in the comment section what your favorite tourist destination in the city of Buenos Aires is, and do let us know any tips and recommendations that you would have for tourists coming to the city. So I do hope that you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, do click the like button, it really does help out the video, and also do subscribe to the channel for more travel content. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.